Hello, in this video I show you how to capture your full PC screen with audio narration. At first, open your Camtasia Studio application. Here you see there are three options: New Project, New Recording, Open Project. For recording our PC screen, we simply click on New Recording. In Select area, by default, full screen is selected. That means we capture our full PC screen. Here we see the green line. That means our screen is fully recorded. To record part of our screen, from the custom option, you can select this. Look at this. We can change our dimension, recorded dimension from here. If we select 70, if we type 700 and 1000 and press enter, our PC screen recorded on just this portion. By dragging this, we can move recorded screen position. Now by default, we select full PC screen. In recorded inputs section, we can enable our webcam. Select our microphone. By default, our system audio is recorded and we set Bluetooth microphone as our default microphone. We can stop our audio by clicking here. To enable the audio, click again. We can also change our sound from here. Now for recording this screen, simply click on record button or press F9 for start recording. Now we click record. Now whatever we saying or display anything in our PC, all is being recorded. Suppose we open our browser and type google.com and search for anything. All is being recorded in Camtasia Studio. Now for stop recording, simply press on F10 from your keyboard. Our recording is complete and Camtasia Studio automatically open now. Look at this, all things are recorded, and in this way we can easily record our PC screen using Camtasia Studio.